Oh my gosh, Asa, what
Hello.
are you doing there?
You know what? I'm still enjoying the moment of silence here
Oh,
because I think you already heard about the bird chirping,
yeah.
It's relaxing that we escape the city
Mm-hmm.
to see this kind of environment here.
Oh my gosh, so you came here to relaxing yourself?
That's right. I want to healing. There's many person that say it's healing, but in reality
Oh,
it's just relaxing and
yeah.
have a silence time.
Oh my
Look
gosh.
at that, guys.
Yeah.
All of the serenity here.
Oh
All of
yeah.
the bird chirping.
Mm-hmm.
We never get like this in the city.
Yeah, yeah,
Just
yeah.
in remote place like this, we can enjoy it ourselves. We can
Oh,
have some reflection.
that's why you always came here just for relaxing yourself?
That's right. We're not just taking care of our plants, but
Mm-hmm.
we also enjoying the moment of silence here because it's
Oh,
far from the nearby village and nearby city,
yeah.
and it's just silence. Everything is just silence, guys.
The song
On of
of
silence.
silence.
Simon and
Oh,
Garfunkel.
yeah,
Oh
you're
my
right.
god.
You know that.
I know it, of course.
That's good.
It's the sound of silence. That's
Oh,
a popular song.
yeah.
And I love that song, because that's why I love about arts because
Mhm.
arts teaching me about anything like the
Mm,
meaning of self-respect,
yeah.
self-ethic, or maybe self-love. There's
Oh,
many things that we can learn from arts,
and
especially
nature, of course.
the nature. You- For me, music is a human nature, because it's
Oh,
frequency.
a
Yeah,
frequency.
that's right.
All right.
Everybody needs it. Everybody
Mm.
enjoy music, and music
Oh,
have the meaning itself, not
yeah,
just for
yeah,
entertainment,
yeah.
but music can be as an art. We see the music as an art.
Oh,
Okay.
so what you want to show me now?
Wait, I'm still enjoying the moment of silence,
Oh, yeah. You make me always curious.
because I'm unexpected, right?
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
You still remember about yesterday that we watering some plants, right?
Yeah, yeah, I remember that.
I'm wondering about the progress of it, the result.
Oh, you not
I'm not checking it yet, but
checking it yet? For how
for
many
three
days?
days,
3 days? Oh my gosh. For 3 days,
I'm
you not.
still wondering about that. Oh my god, are we should say it now?
Yeah, of course, we know. We want to know about the progress of
That's right.
your
Yesterday we use
spraying and.
organic matter, right? To
Yeah,
spray and to watering it.
yeah. I think everybody will
Curious about it.
curious about that.
Curious about the result.
Yeah.
If you want to see the mixture
Mm-hmm.
before we cut that,
Yeah.
you can see the previous video, guys.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And it's 100% organic. Not
Organic.
destroying your environments, not
Yeah.
hurting your environments.
Yeah.
It's all organic. Come on, then.
And you have to show how to make the fertilizer.
I have already show it, and there's many people that enthusiastic about it.
And
I have already make it, guys. Just check the previous video about the
oh,
rapid urine.
oh, that's the formula that you use to make your plant
Grow bigger.
fertile and more bigger.
That's right. That's our secret materials, our secret mixture
Oh,
that we share to all of you guys.
oh, you
Because
have
I
shared
love
it.
you.
Oh,
I'm not keeping my secrets. I share it with you.
Yeah.
So I hope it can be helpful for all of you.
yeah.
Because there's many people that wondering, wow, that mixture is really working.
Oh,
How can you make that?
yeah.
And in that moment, I'm
And you
thinking
give.
it. I always thinking about it, and yeah, I must share it now. And
Oh,
I don't
yeah.
have any secret now, guys. I already shared it all of it to you. Just
Mm.
watch our previous video if you want to see it. Come on.
So if everybody will show your channel that they got knowledge, new knowledge, right?
That's right. That's our main purpose of making this channel, guys.
Oh.
Because we want many people get a new knowledge every day.
Mm-hmm.
Because you know what, guys?
Oh.
My mindset is new knowledge every day. We
Oh.
must always learning something every day, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're right.
Because we didn't need to have a feeling that I'm already full of knowledge now.
Yeah.
Every day must be a new knowledge.
All
Don't
right.
get fooled by yourself, guys.
Okay.
Oh my god, look at it. I've been leaving this place for 3 days and it already looks like an Isla Nublar,
Yeah.
That's really fresh,
It's look in nowhere
Yeah,
here.
it's a nowhere.
Oh
He's
my,
a
real
real
nowhere
nowhere
man.
man. It is nowhere place.
Oh
Nobody
no.
knows about it.
Yeah.
Look at that, guys.
Oh, that's the tree that you
Yeah,
ever spraying and watering.
yeah. Not this, but that one.
Oh yeah.
Here,
But
bro. I
this
found
one
it.
is not. Are you not spraying?
I'm spraying it, of course. Come here, and it's
Oh
already show the new leaf here.
yeah.
It's also the same. It's like a Pinkerton, you know.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
It's showing a new leaf now.
Oh
And
yeah.
the most great result, the most good progress is this one. Come
Yeah.
here. That I watering it and spraying it yesterday, guys.
Yeah.
Come here.
Just let me show.
Let me show you the work of it. Let
Yeah,
you
this
see it.
is using organic
Organic methods.
fertilizers.
And it's easy to
Oh,
find, you know.
easy to find and easy to make, right?
That's right.
Oh my gosh, this is
Let's go here.
all right.
Look at it, guys.
Oh, over there.
You need the hands.
No, I
You
can
can
do
do
it.
it by yourself.
Yeah.
Be careful then,
Okay.
because there's a slippery, hey.
All right.
Oh my.
Oh, here it is.
Look at the progress, guys. Usually it's not that big, right?
Yeah.
Look at that. It's growing
Oh,
more longer
God.
stem now.
Yeah, you're right. Oh my gosh, it's very long stem.
It's
I don't
long, not
believe that.
because you know what? Look at it.
Oh yeah.
Yesterday we prune it also, right?
Yeah.
And it's already showing two new branches here.
Yeah.
Oh.
And getting longer branches.
Yeah, it's getting longer. And you know what, guys?
Maybe
It's just,
this specific of a Pinkerton variety.
yeah, it's a Pinkerton variety. It doesn't have any specialization here.
Yeah.
Just a general Pinkerton.
Oh,
But you know what, guys? It's from America, you know?
American.
US, yeah. USA. And it's premium avocado.
Oh yeah.
And look at it, guys. We just need these strings to flowering. Like in
Yeah.
the previous video, I already show you many
Yeah.
plants that we already flowering here.
Yeah.
It's already flowering.
Oh my gosh, this is the progress, right?
It's the progress, and
That you have spraying it and you have watering it
that's right.
3 days ago.
Just 3 days, guys. Can you imagine? Most of them, or mostly, there's many fertilizer that working in 1 week, right?
Yeah.
But we can crush all of it in just 3 days.
Oh my
Before
gosh,
it's not that big,
unbelievable.
right?
Yeah,
It's
that's
not
very
that big,
big.
but
It's
growing
true.
longer now.
It's true. Here, the stem that you have.
Yeah,
prune it.
here.
Yeah,
If you remember it here. In
here.
just 3 days.
All right, that's it.
Yeah.
And this one.
Yep. This one,
Oh.
many of it here. And you
Yeah.
know what, guys? If you want to see the difference of it, the previous plant that I show you
Yeah,
over there,
yeah,
I prune it in the same time,
yeah,
but I didn't watering it this much,
yeah.
and it's not that long, right?
Oh yeah,
So we can see the difference here
yeah,
between the watering session, the spraying session, and no, it's just spraying here.
so you make comparison, right?
Yeah, I made the comparison for it, and you know the difference. The compare, you can compare by yourself
Yeah.
in your home. What's the effect of all fertilizer, guys?
Yeah,
Oh my god! And you know what? It's easy to find. It's easy to make. Everybody can make it. Everybody from the child age, younger age,
Yeah.
teenager, older, man, woman, everyone, an alien,
oh,
an Aquaman, everything.
oh,
Ocean man, maybe.
wow,
No, everybody can make it because it's a
Yeah.
common materials in your home.
yeah,
Everybody have it.
yeah. I agree with that.
Now you believe the progress of it, right?
Yeah,
Oh my god! And also look at it. I think there's some sparkle of the water
yeah,
when
It's-
I spraying it,
yeah.
and it's getting
More green.
more greener now,
Oh
and
my gosh.
the grass of it is growing rapidly. Oh no.
But it's good for the soil fertile, right?
It's good for the soil fertile, but when it's getting too close with the main plant,
Yeah,
it's not that good.
it's
I
not
must
that
clean
good. Oh yeah. All right.
Okay, everyone. If you want to see the mixture, check the previous video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.
If you want to see more natural content like this,
Yes.
and I'm Esartanusa. Love all of you. Thank you for supporting all of our channel, of course. Thank you for supporting it. Thank you for subscribing it. Don't forget to give it a like. And if you have some wondering on interesting or curiosity about it, just tell me in a comment. See you in the next video.